Welcome to Program Guru. In this Java tutorial, we're going to talk about comments in Java. Think of comments as little notes or explanations you leave in your code. They don't affect how the program runs, but they do help people understand what's going on. Let's look at the three main types of comments in Java. Single-line comments. // this is a single-line comment. Anything written after // is ignored by the program execution. Then a print statement, hello world. Compile and run this program. Here is the output of this code. The comment is ignored, and only the print statement is executed. Multi-line comments. These are used when you need to explain something across several lines. Here is how it looks. /*, this is a multi-line comment. Next line, it can span several lines. Next line, useful for detailed notes or explanations. // Then a print statement. Compile and run this program. Everything between /* and */ is ignored by the compiler. You can also use multi-line comments to temporarily block out code during debugging. For example, we can write two more print statements and comment the first two print statements. The code that is in comment section is ignored. Documentation comments or JavaDoc. These comments are used to generate official documentation from your code. They start with a / and 2 stars. Here's an example. /*. This class demonstrates JavaDoc comments. @ symbol author Program Guru. @ symbol version 1.0. // Then we document a method. /*. This method prints a greeting. @ symbol param name the name to greet. // This type of comment is useful when you're writing libraries or APIs that others will use. So why do we use comments? 1. To clarify complicated logic. 2. To disable code temporarily during testing. And 3. To generate documentation using something called JavaDoc. Best practices. Here are a few tips for writing great comments in Java. 1. Write comments that explain the why, not just the what. 2. Keep them updated. Outdated comments can be misleading. 3. Avoid clutter. Comments should help, not confuse. And 4. Don't repeat what's obvious from the code. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't use comments to excuse poorly written code. Improve the code instead. Don't leave debug comments in your final program. And don't overuse JavaDoc for private methods that no one else needs to read about. That's it for this lesson on Java comments. You learned how to use single-line, multi-line, and documentation comments, and why they matter. Please like the video, subscribe to Program Guru, and hit that bell icon for more beginner-friendly Java tutorials. Thank you for watching.